compact and efficient pack-out kitting cell. In this application, we set out to create a high-efficiency pack and kitting cell that would be staffed by 2 operators. The takt time was projected at 22 seconds, so fractions of seconds saved was a huge benefit. With this in mind, we worked to pare down the look and reach times to a minimum, keeping the distance for all components and equipment to 12 inches or less. To make the exchanges between positions as direct as possible, we designed the overall length of the cell to be 72 inches and the operator center-to-center positioning at 36 inches. Each end of the cell featured a monitor arm and a mount for customer-supplied barcode scanners. Other features included a 3-color andon light, pull-out shelves for fast replenishment of printing and tape supplies, stowaway keyboard trays, and a low-friction slide surface that was not marring to the packaging. Low maintenance and easy to clean UHMWPE was used for all surfaces. Our modular framing system of pipes and joints made fixture line enhancements simple and quick with a hex key. The cell was shipped set up and ready to deploy. A low-tech and simple approach to high-efficiency kitting and pack-out. The net result, a quick return on investment. How can we be of assistance?